Hey, everyone, this has been unboxing here of an Amazon renewed Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, 128GB in Obsidian color. This one is from YY Wireless. That is the seller for those that want to know. Paid about $500 for that here in the US. Again, YY Wireless for those that want to know the seller name. So I always get that question in these videos. So we get a very cheap USB-C to USB-C. Sometimes you get a brick, sometimes you do not. Alright, taking it out here. So you see there was some sort of sticker on the back here, which is kind of weird. It's a little bit dirty. The seller had actually rather good ratings on Amazon, so it should be in pretty good shape. So it's a little bit dirty, but that we can live with. I think it's otherwise in really, really good shape. At least this one, of course, your mileage may vary, as they say. Again, it is just speckled with dust, but other than that, looks like it's in excellent shape. So taking a closer look at it, not through the camera, through my own eyes, this thing looks like it's in almost new shape. The only issue I have, and it's not really an issue, you guys won't be able to see this, but inside the speaker grill is very dirty. It's kind of weird. It's like super dirty in there, but I should be able to hopefully get that cleaned out. Other than that, it's a little bit dusty. Otherwise, it's in very good shape. And it appears to be completely dead. I was going to see what the battery health was at, so I'll try to leave it in the comments below what the battery health is at, but this thing is completely dead, which is kind of weird as well. But yeah, I mean, so far I'm happy with it. We'll see once it actually gets turned on and stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Again, your mileage may vary, but mine's in basically perfect shape. It's just a little bit dirty, which is a bit weird and does not turn on right away. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. See you next time. Goodbye.